Hello friends, today we are going to learn why washing our hands is so important. For this experiment we need
pepper, the soap,
and some water.
We sprinkle pepper on the top of our water and we will pretend that pepper are our germs. Are we dipping our fingers into our germs and watch what happens? Show me your fingers.
I don't
Oh, look what you have on your fingers.
germs.
Germs. Dip your fingers in the soap now and then the water. What happens?
They run away.
The germs run away. Wow!
So we know we have good germs and bad germs. Bad germs make us feel sick, and this is the reason why washing our hands is so important.